Hey guys, today we will be making a popsicle for Father's Day. Okay, what you need: cardstock, folded in half because it's going to be a card, a snapped popsicle stick, 2 googly eyes of your choice, the size will be your choice, craft foam of your choice, scissors, cardboard cutout shaped like this popsicle, bitten right there, a Sharpie, and some glue. I had to do glitter glue because my white glue is almost out. Okay, so let's get started with the video. We're going to trace this on the craft foam. Just trace your cardboard cutout. It can be, again, the crafting foam can be any color of your choice. You can cut it out now. Retrace the stuff that you made a mistake. Okay, now let's cut this out. Make sure you do it, you make sure you have to trace it on the side of it because you do not want to waste. Wasting is not good. You should use what you could get. This needs to be really careful because you do not want to mess this up for Father's Day for your dad. Keep cutting. Okay, when you're done, you might notice some of these lines that you traced, so you can turn it over. Okay, next, we're going to glue here. Well, actually, if you can glue if you want, I'm going to add the detail on it first. Let's glue 2 googly eyes. Just a dab, because you never want to waste. Put it on as far as you want, and put them as close as you want. I'm going to put them close because this will be a cartoon popsicle. Okay, now let's glue this. We're going to glue it on, but first you can add more detail. Eyebrows and a smile. Now let's glue. Wait. Add more detail to it. Now we can glue. Let's glue this in this right smack in the middle. We're going to wait. First, let's glue this because we might have some troubles. Glue the popsicle on the back. The popsicle stick on the back. This is very, very cute. Next, just glue it. Glue all around. Do not put some on the inside. Put some on the outside because you do not want to waste again. That's a reminder. Then, right it here for Father's Day, I'm going to put Dad, you're the coolest. Oops, I kind of made a mistake, but mistakes are proof you are trying. Put coolest in all capital letters. If you don't know how to spell coolest, I'll spell it out for you. COOLEST. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to spell it again. COOLEST. Add trace. You don't need to trace because it's going to be like all different sizes. Add some like teardrops or something. Okay, it's going to be melting a little. Something like that. See it? I'm going to add some six. Cut out. This foam is so soft. Like when the night I bought it, I just wanted to sleep on it like a pillow. There's piece number 1. Piece number 2 is almost there. Piece number 2. They do not have to be perfect. Piece number 3 will be done in a few seconds now. Yay, it's done. Piece number 4 will be done in 3, 2, 1. And I think I should just add 4. Let's glue, let's glue, let's glue. Can you see it? Put 2 on each side. You could do this for Mother's Day. It's happy birthday, something. It's because, but you have to put Mom, you're the coolest. Somebody's name, you're the coolest. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, hit the bell, subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below. Share this video. Bye!